Welcome to Realm University. My name is Michael Baldwin, and this video is to take you through the tradespeople settings, either as part of your initial onboarding, or if you want to come back later and add new defaults to your tradespeople so that they are selected as part of Claire's process. As I say, you will either have arrived here, as you can see on the screen, the tradespeople settings page. The top four, electrician, locksmiths, plumber, and general maintenance, are mandatory as part of the onboarding process, which is why you can see that those four are definitely filled out here. And they will have been provided to you as part of the initial crawl when you've been onboarding. And when you make your selections for these default tradespeople, those labels will then be applied in your property management software, either as a label or a category. All of these names have been pulled from your property management software, and it's simply a case of clicking on the drop down, finding the particular tradesperson that you wish to fulfill the role, in this case for pool maintenance, and there we are. These categories are taken from your property management software, so it is important that the account code in your property management software is applied to your various tradespeople for these particular trades that we have on the selection. Once you have completed this area, it's a simple case of clicking on Save and Next, and that will take you into the next step from an onboarding perspective, or if you're just coming back visiting this page independently, that will ensure that we save your settings. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.